Hello and welcome back to our video. This problem, we're given this equation, which is relating the temperature C in Celsius to that same temperature measured in F Fahrenheit. So we're looking at a temperature increase in degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Celsius, and how that would relate to the other measurement. And so what we want to do in this case is ignore this minus 32. It's only going to get in the way because we're looking at how much one will change with the other, and subtracting 32 at the end, or 5/9 times 32 if you distribute at the end, isn't going to change anything. It's going to shift your values by 32 all the time, so it's not going to lead to an increase of anything. So if we just have C is equal to 5/9 F, this is going to have the same rate of change as this one, right? So we have to see which of these is true. So your temperature degrees of 1 degree Fahrenheit, so let's plug in values for F. So if F is 0, it's going to be 5/9. C is equal to 5/9 times 0, plugging in 0 for F, which anything times 0 is just equal to 0. And then we increase by 1, so F is equal to 1. C is equal to 5/9 times, now we have to plug in 1 for F, so 1 is equal to 5/9. So going from 0 to 5/9 is an increase of 5/9. So a temperature increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature degrees increase of 5/9 degrees Celsius. We have found that that is equal, we have found that that is the case. So we know that 1 is true. So 2 only and 3 only can't be that because we know 1 is, so it has to be in there somewhere. So is 2 the case? So now we're looking at a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius. So we are going to have to plug in for C now instead of F. So C is equal to 5/9 F. Down here, let's go C is equal to 0, and then C is equal to 1. So plugging in, we have 0 is equal to 5/9 F, multiplying by 9/5 on both sides. Because here we have these 5s will cancel and these 9s will cancel. Multiplying it by the reciprocal of its coefficient is a pretty typical way to get something isolated. Over here, we have F is equal to 9/5 times 0 is 0. Over here, we have 1 is equal to 5/9 F. Again, plugging in 1 for C. So we have 1 equals to 5/9 F. And again, we're going to multiply by 9/5 on both sides because these will cancel. We get F is equal to 9/5 times 1 is 9/5. So this is an increase of 9/5. So a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that actually is the case because 9/5 is equal to 1.8. So that means 2 is also true. So 1 is true and 1 is true and 2 is true. So that means it's not just 1 only, and therefore the answer must be D because it's the only one left. We don't even have to check 3. But anyways, as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.